Second phase of down.
Three phase 11, 3, 4, 4 on it.
Interface, right?
No.
Oh,
Where is this?
11.5 minutes.
Okay, then correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Interface, right?
Yeah.
So we have
From what to what? From high to high.
high to high. Okay, can you go there to your? It's
15 to, we can say
no.
15,
Next one.
But we
5 to
have
15. 5 to 15.
We have
Yeah.
to the top of the wheel.
No, high lower than the top of the wheel.
Yeah.
This is somewhere.
And you didn't identify high.
So, Emmanuel, where is the high here? Emmanuel, where is high? You have got only LH. Where is
Yeah,
the
there,
LH?
this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Must
No,
be.
this is oil. This is the oil. This is the oil. See, water level going high in the water compartment will overflow to the oil compartment. When the water will come in oil compartment, oil level will not increase because the quantity of water is less. Quantity of water is less. So I would say, I mean, please check once again, 5 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, we confirm.
We confirm, yes.
Confirmed. Okay.
Yeah, oversized.
Okay.
No. It's rapid.
Rapid prompt.
Can you go there? No. I think it's rapid. Yeah,
0 to
it's
5
rapid.
rapid.
5 to 15 is rapid.
Okay. So rapid and
It will be P2, I think. If you go there, can you see? Rapid and medium.
low.
Okay, it's slow. Yeah.
Low, yeah.
Okay. It's P3. Yeah.
Yeah. So this I will make. Now this LLL, same LLL. Will make Y valid malfunction full open, right?
Yeah, the LCB malfunction open. Yeah.
Full open. So what will happen? Gas flow by or oil will go. Oil will go in the system. I think if this is full open, then oil will go there. Correct?